Hey guys, my name is Julia, but you can call me the Curly Buddha, and today I'm doing my first ever YouTube video, but not only my first ever YouTube video, my first ever hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from straight hair back to rocking my naturally curly hair. So keep watching and let's get started with my tips and secrets. Okay, so I just wet my hair. Today I'm going to be using all Deva Curl products. So I'm using their two new products today. I'm trying their Wash Day Wonder and their leave-in conditioner. So today I'm going to start off with the Wash Day Wonder. So the Wash Day Wonder is supposed to be a pre-cleanse slip detangler. So the way I kind of think of it is like a pre-cleanse or like a pre-poo. And then it's also going to help detangle my hair before I wash it. So like I said, I already wet my hair. I'm going to take out my banana clip, or sorry, my butterfly clip. And then my hair's already parted down the middle, but now I'm going to part it into 4 sections just so I can get the detangler, the Wash Day Wonder through it. So they don't have to be even. So this will be my first section in the back, and then I'm just going to put this in a clip, and then I'll separate this section later. So then I'm going to take a Wash Day Wonder, and then I'm going to put some on my hand, and then I'm going to massage it in my hand, and then I'm going to do like a prayer grip, and then I'm going to begin to rake it through. So I like this because my hair, oh my gosh, if I don't comb it out in a while, it gets so knotty. So I need a detangler before I wash it. Otherwise, I'm in the shower forever using conditioner to detangle my hair. So I always try to do a pre-cleanse or comb my hair out wet before I begin to wash it. So it doesn't take me that long in the shower. But like, look at this. I'm going like right through my hair with no problem. Good, so once I do this section, I'm going to twist it just so that I know it stays detangled and out the way. And then I'll go on to my next my next 3 sections and do the same thing. And now that I'm done with my Felicia twist, I'm going to go and rinse this out and wash my hair with no poo and deep condition. So I'll be back with my clean hair. Okay, so I just finished washing my hair, and now I'm going to show you guys what I do to style it. So I don't have my microfiber towel. I left it at school, so I had to use a cotton t-shirt, which does the same thing, so it helps to eliminate frizz. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did earlier when I was putting the Wash Day Wonder in my hair. I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections. So I love this and live by this. This is a spray bottle, but in my spray bottle, I like to put water. I put black castor oil because my hair is thin, so I like to put black castor oil in it to help thicken and nurture my hair. And then I also put rosemary in here, which helps to stimulate hair growth. So shake my bottle up. I'm going to spray it with water. And then I'm going to take, like 2 pumps of the leave-in. And then I'm going to massage it in my hand again. And then I'm going to do the prayer grip. And then I'm going to rake it through my hair. Just so that I can make sure. Actually, I'm going to do a little more. It gets all through my hair. And then after I put the leave-in again, I'm going to spray it again. And then I'm going to apply the Deva Curl styling cream. So I ran out of my styling cream, but this is honestly one of my favorite products. So I did happen to have a styling cream left, so I'm going to use some styling cream packet. And I'm going to massage it in my hands, prayer grip, and then rake it through. And then after I rake it through, I spray it one more time. And then I'm going to put in the Deva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. And then I'm going to show you a little trick that I do. Just especially because my hair was straight. I feel like I'm dime size. Because my hair was straight, I really like finger coiling my curls, so they remember what they're supposed to do. And then I like to put water on after the defining gel to help break the cast that the gel may leave. So then I'm going to take my detangler comb, and then I'm going to comb it through. And then I take curl by curl and finger coil. Just to make sure I have the definition that I want. And when I'm curling, I want to make sure that I go in the direction that the curl goes. And then I'm going to take my towel or my t-shirt, and then I simply scrunch. Now that my hair is all curly and filled with product, now I'm just going to let it air dry. So we'll be back to see what it looks like. So this is what my hair looks like all dry, but sometimes my hair isn't as big and as fluffy as I want it to because I decided to air dry instead of diffusing this time. So what I like to do sometimes is I take my handy dandy white tooth comb. You can also use a pick, or you can even use your magical little fingers, Best comb there is. And then I like to flip my head upside down and then pick to just bring a little bit more volume to my hair. So I flip my hair upside down, and then I take the pick and I start to use it to help lift my roots. And then once I think I've done enough lifting, then I like to take my fingers and put them underneath, and then I start to shake to add some volume, add some movement, and then I flip my hair back up. And I am all set. And that's my curly hair routine. So if you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like away, guys. And let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me. So I hope my tips and secrets helped. And like I said, if you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to see me do, just let me know. Stay beautiful and enjoy the rest of your day. Mwah.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura.